Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to some interesting topic like higher order function. Already we have seen something like creating a function, creating a class, and how to use lambda. So this kind of functions we have seen it like how we are passing function as an argument into another function. So that we are going to say today. Let's see. Let me open idle. So before that, I already created some things. Let me open up. Now let's see this. So I'm just calling def and naming as main function and passing some inputs and returning like it should be capitalized. The first letter should be uppercase like that. It should be print, right? Now this is what I'm going to create it. So main function string input return that string input should be capitalized means first character should be a capital letter. Now I'm going to print. So print this main function. I'm passing this one. Now H should be uppercase, W should be uppercase, Python should be uppercase. Now this is fine. So this is normal function. Now how this one is high order function, let's see. Now see this. I want to store function in a separate variable. So I'm not going to call this main function. Instead of that, I'm going to use some other variable and store this function into this variable. Enter. And now want to print it that function. So this variable I'm going to use it. See, I'm going to use it like that. I'm not at all going to use this main function. I have to use it like this. Hello world Python. So here I assign function in a variable. So this is called one of the higher order function. And another example you want to see like we have to create two function and the third function we have to call this both child function. Let me show you. That is also I already written it. Let's see. So now I'm going to add it, right? So now see this adding creating a function one going to add to two things. This function is created. Now second function is also I'm going to create that should be like multiply square of these two numbers. That is also I created. But now I don't want to use this function. Instead of that, I have to create some common function name. By using that common function name, I have to pass it this kind of functions. Let's see now. Now, so here I'm using def main function and child function as an argument. Then child function name equal to this child function. Here I'm using it and return that function, right? This is what the main function. Let's see how do I going to call this. So this is what I return here. Now see this. This function is created. Now main function open bracket and then child functions I need to call it, right? Now let's see this how I'm going to use it. Function 1 open bracket 1 comma 2 close this. See this 3 and same thing the same function name I have to use it 2 and then it should be 1 into 2 2. So the common function main function is the same but passing function as an argument whatever you want to pass it. For example, if you want to pass it like not only 1 to 2, if you want 10 into 20 it should return 200. So anything you can pass by using this main function. So this is called higher order function. Let's see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.